This is a solution for the Rubik's Cube. It's not the fastest solution out there, but it always seems to work. So my son's filming and he wanted to put this on video, so here we go. First thing to say, and this is for absolute beginners by the way, so forgive me if you already know this, but each face is denoted by the colour of the central square. So red, blue, orange, that's the name of the face. Yellow, the yellow face, is always opposite the white face. And we're going to do this in logical steps. Step one is to form what I call a daisy, a white daisy around this yellow centre. So here goes. Okay, that's the daisy. Don't worry about these colours in the corner, it doesn't matter. The next thing to do is for each white part of the daisy, look at the side colour and line it up with the central pane. So for example, this is green, I'm going to turn it to green. So that's lined up with those two. Then turn this face twice. This will make sense when we get to the next step. So go to the next face. It's blue. So let's turn to the blue face. And now, see those two are matched up. It's only those two. That happens to be blue at the bottom. It doesn't matter what colour it would be. It's just those two. Turn it twice. That one's already done, just by chance. Orange and orange. Turn it twice. And that's red. So let's go to the red face. Turn it twice. So that's yellow. Going back to white now, we've got a cross. I know we've got a white there, it doesn't matter. What you need is a white cross. That could be any colour, this one. And importantly, each side has to have this central bit the same colour. Blue and blue here, red and red, green and green, orange and orange. Okay, so the next step is to finish off the corners of this white and get them in the right slots. So you need to think about this a little bit, but I'll talk through it as I go. So here, I've got a nice white here with a green and an orange. So where does that need to go? Well, it's going to need to go on this orange face and green face. So this is the orange face, this is the green face. If I move this white up to here, the orange will end up there and the green will end up there. Okay. So I'm going to turn my cube, move that up, turn it back, and then you can see that corner piece is here because it's got to match with the central cube, and that matches with that one. So that corner's done. So looking for another easy one. Oh, here's one. It's got green and it's got red. So I'm going to turn to the green face, I reckon. So if I move this cube up to here to replace this one, that white goes up, the green at the bottom will end up here, and the red will end up here. So nice and easy, same thing. Just getting that right, and you can see that corner's in the right place. So I've got a couple more corners to do. And the whites are up here in this case. So that's quite easy to sort. So we're just going to twist that out of the way and move that there. Twist it back, and you put the white down here, which is much more helpful for us. So that's got orange and it's got blue. So same method. Move the white up to here. The blue's going to go here. The orange is going to go here. All right. So here we go. You see that's right now. One last one to do. Where is the fella? Down here. So I'm just going to move him there. And because the white's at the bottom, just got to turn it a couple of times. Like that. Like that. And bring it back round. So here we've got red, we've got blue, red's got to go here, blue's got to go here, white's got to go here. So nice and simple again. There we are. So that's the white face done, and see the top row is now done all the way. Okay, right, turn it upside down. Now we're going to do this central row all the way across. And this is a bit more tricky, but it is logical once you ever think about it. So you want to ignore any cube at the top or any cube at the side in this top row with a yellow on it, because the yellow is going to go on this face. So we deal with that next. So let's look for one. Here's a good one. This is green and orange. So I'm going to turn that green to the green face there, with orange at the top. So I know that orange has got to go down here. That orange has got to go all the way to replace this cube with orange there, and that green will be here in place of there. Pick that cube up, drop it here. So how do we do that? So this is what we do. We're going to turn, because this is going to the right hand side, yeah, green's going to the right hand side, we're going to go top face, right hand side face, clockwise, top face, anti-clockwise, right face, anti-clockwise, top face, anti-clockwise, front face, anti-clockwise, top face, clockwise, and you can see these are nicely lined up now. So this is one move, front face clockwise, and you can see this cube is in the right place. It takes a couple of goes to get this, but if you get that logic of moving the cube down to here, it will make sense quite quickly, I suspect. So this one's a good one to do. It's got blue at the top, red there. So where's that got to go? This blue has got to go onto this left side down here, and this red's got to go here. So this cube needs to be replaced with this cube. So this is going to the left, so I'm just going to come around this way so it's easier for me to turn. Okay, so it's a slightly different set of moves, but they are related. So here we go. Top face anti-clockwise, left face anti-clockwise. Top face clockwise, left face clockwise. Top face clockwise, front face clockwise. Top face anti-clockwise. Now you see these two are lined up happily. Front face anti-clockwise into position. So now that's done. Where are we missing one? A green fellow. So let's get this green. Here's a green. It's got red, so we're going to turn to the red face. And it's the same process. This cube needs to be down here in this corner. Okay, red's going to go down there. Green's going to go down here. So it's the algorithm we did earlier. So here goes. I'll go a bit faster this time. So top clockwise, right clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, front stuck anti-clockwise, top clockwise, front clockwise. And I think that is the middle row now complete. White face is still okay, and the first row is complete. So now we're going to ignore this row here, and we're going to go to the top row. And what we want to do is create a yellow cross, because we're going to do it in sort of manageable stages. Creating a yellow cross is nice and easy, and then we focus on getting the corners correct. Okay, so how do we get the yellow cross? So we're going to go front clockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. We haven't got a cross, so you might have to do it a couple of times, and eventually you'll get there. So let's try again. Here we go. Front, top, right, top, right, front. Still haven't got across. Let's do it one more time. Front, oh, sorry. Yeah, front, top, right, top, right, front. Now we have a cross here. Ignore those two. We've got a cross. That's the important thing. All right. So next step, we're going to fill in the blanks. Those ones, not necessarily in the right order. We just need to get yellows in there. Okay. So orientation now matters with the cube. So we want to twiddle it this way. This way. You want it in that situation, you want this yellow to be here, because these two corners have a yellow in. So the little saying, those two corners, so I see two corners, so my left thumb has to be on that corner. Okay, I see two, my left thumb's on you. That's quite a good one, isn't it? Right, so here we go. So this algorithm will sort this. Maybe not first time, but it will eventually. So we're going to go right, up, right, anti-clockwise, up, right clockwise, up, up, and then right, anti-clockwise. So it hasn't done it, but it's formed another pattern that I call a fish. You can see it does look like a fish. So when you see that fish, your thumb wants to go at the mouth of the fish, here, the head of the fish. This is now your front face, where your thumb is. Okay? So we're going to do the same algorithm again. So we're going to go right, top, right, top, right, top, top, right. And it's formed a fish again. When you get that fish 2 times, you know for sure the next time it's going to complete that yellow face with all yellows. So again, head of the fish, thumb there. This is your front face. Let's go through it. So we're going to go right, top, right, top, right, top, top, and it's done it. So that's the yellow face done, but these corners aren't right. Well, they might be actually, but it'll be lucky if they are. So let's turn. We know those two have got to go to the red face. So twiddle that around to the red face. And so we can see they're right. Yeah, by the colours. Blue's matching blue, red's matching red. That's right. Red's matching red, green's matching green. Aha. But these are not right. That one needs to be over here. And this one needs to be over here. So we're going to now shuffle these around into a different order. So because those two are right, that is your back face. Let's turn it away. This is your front face, the opposite side. Okay? And there's a little chant for this one. So I'll just say it as we go. Okay? Run to me, fast. Run to me, back, back. Run away, fast. Run to me, back, back. Turn the white down. So let's have a look now. 2 blues, twiddle it around. Blue, red, green, orange. All in the correct order. So that is done. Last job, sort that one and sort that one. Oh, and sort that one. Okay. This face is complete. So again, that's your rear face. And orange is the opposite side, so that's your front face. So here we go. Front twice. Top anti-clockwise. Left, down, right, down. Front twice. Left, up, right, up. And turn to line the white up. Turn it round. And so that still hasn't done it. So hit it again. This is complete face, that's your rear face. So front twice, up, down, down, front twice, up, up, twiddle it round. It still hasn't done it. So roll it back. Let's go. Front, 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 front. I reckon we're there. And there you have it. That's how you do it.